In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the sender details of your Aweber emails. To begin, sign in to your Aweber account and look for the Quick menu. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the list settings. Click the Quick menu, then use the search field to type in List. When you see the option for managing your list, click Manage List. This takes you to the area where your list-wide sender details are stored, which is important because these settings often control the default sender name and email address used in your broadcasts and follow-up messages. Next, find the Active List drop-down menu. This is where you choose which list you want to update. If you manage more than one list, make sure you select the correct one, because each list can have its own sender details. Once you have chosen the right list, stay on the page and look for Basic Settings. In the Basic Settings section, locate the From Name and From Address fields. The From Name is what subscribers see as the sender name in their inbox. The From Address is the email address that the message appears to come from. Update both fields with the sender details you want to use going forward. Take a moment to double-check for spelling and accuracy, because even small mistakes can confuse subscribers or affect deliverability. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save All Settings. Saving is required before Aweber will apply the new sender details to your list. If you entered a From address that Aweber has not verified before, you will need to confirm it. Go to the inbox for that email address and look for the verification message from Aweber. Open it and click the verification link inside. Until this is completed, Aweber may not allow that address to be used as the sender. Finally, check any existing drafts you have already created. Open each draft and review the message settings. If the sender information did not update automatically, manually change the sender name and sender address within the draft so it matches your new settings. And that is all there is to it.